Towe county ya Vihiga Godfrey Ososi OGOSAGANA na gutigiro chingoma ao ime county ya Kisumu muraiwe kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua nigonera AGIKEIRIE BORORO ebikoro bwinga bunebyo asamo kire Ewizara y'oburendi weime asogote mukigetambo kiregetindi keri chiko gukiase baria babwa bakubwateranirwa n'ebikoro bwinga bunebyo. Gachagua nigo boigo arure gose amuragire omurikyo monene ase Ewizara y'oburendi weime Raymond Omolo bunanere obetega kuruberia ayo onsi osamangana bunayo eri kumubekera ensemo ose chinga kiboigo ose kubabekera ebitango baria barabamererya serikali gutatacha orogongo rwa Nyanza. Gachagua nigayakwa naya kurwase ensemo ya Laikipia ya mocha asa matanga anyagosera Nancy Wangeshi.
The use of guns in this country to deal with politics. I have been attacked a record 24 times, 5 of them in churches, by goons and police, and nothing has been done. The PS for Interior, Raymond Omolo, is a chief goon in this country, and he is the one sponsoring goons every day to attack people. They, Sifuna and Babu Wino, yesterday they attacked the senator for Vihiga, Godfrey Ososi, and they hurt him very badly. And those goons have been organized by Raymond Omolo. It cannot be that a PS for internal security charged with the responsibility of maintaining law and order, of taking care of the people of Kenya, is the one who is organizing goons to fight people. They hurt Ososi, and it's Raymond Omolo at the behest of William Ruto who have attacked Ososi, the senator for Vihiga. And I've been telling these ODM characters to be careful and to listen from us from the mountain who know William Ruto. He has destroyed ODM, and he will destroy it completely. He wants ODM to be a low party. They have now beaten up Ososi, and he has made arrangements for Sifuna, Edwin Sifuna, to be removed as Secretary General of ODM on Tuesday. Effectively, what will happen once the lawyers are chased away from ODM? The ODM will remain a low party. He has gone further. He has organized with Raymond Omolo to sponsor candidates in the whole of NYANZA against ODM. They will be sponsored on UDA. They are being funded by the state, and they will be backed up by votes. I want to tell ODM, you will have no seats in NYANZA. William Ruto has already worked with Raymond Omolo to have candidates in NYANZA facing ODM ones, and they are advantaged because they have state resources and they are backed by goods. So ODM must be very clear before they proceed to do any agreement with William Ruto. I'm advising them for free. They must agree on zoning, that areas that were previously dominated by ODM must be left for ODM only. Otherwise, if they open it up with state resources, with the backing of goons by PS Interior, ODM will be a pale shadow of its former self. And I've seen these ODM characters there wakisifu Ruto. Nyinyi mnasifu.